This afternoon I am going to make a Tuscan soup. It's kind of chilly out today and gloomy, so I figured good soup would be good for us today. So I've cut up, diced up a medium onion. I have two medium-sized carrots and two stalks of celery. I'm going to use about 6 cups of vegetable broth. I am going to go ahead and pour a little bit in the pot here to start sauteing up the veggies. Just going to put a little bit in though. If you want, you can use oil. I was just trying to stay away from the oil. But I'm just going to go ahead and put all this down in here and start sauteing them up. Probably about 4 or 5 minutes. Alright, this has been cooking now for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and add in a little bit of garlic and then some Italian seasoning. Probably a couple tablespoons. Or sorry, a couple teaspoons, not tablespoons. Stir that up. And then I have 2 cans of canellini beans, or white kidney beans, that I've drained and rinsed. I'm going to add those in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of this vegetable stock in. And then I also need to put 2 bay leaves down in here. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on, put it on manual, on high pressure for 10 minutes and let it do its thing. Once it's all done with the 10 minutes, we're going to let it come down naturally for about 5 minutes, and then I'll release the rest of the pressure. Alright, this is all done in here. It did its 10 minutes and it's come down for 5, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, throw this over, and release the rest. Shouldn't take too long for it to come down. Alright, the pressure is all released. I'm going to go ahead and take this off of here. I'm going to take out the 2 bay leaves. Now I'm going to add in a can of diced tomatoes. This one has basil, garlic, and oregano in it. Stir that in. That'll warm through pretty quick. And then I'm going to add in 2 big handfuls of kale. Just need to stir that up, and within those couple minutes that is warming up the tomatoes that I put in there, this will warm up as well. I'm going to go ahead and shake in a little bit of pepper. Then you just need to do a little bit of a taste test, see if you need more salt or pepper added to it. And that's all you need to do. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and put it in a bowl. And then Scott wants his a little spicier, so I am going to go ahead and put a little bit of red pepper flake on it for him. And then a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This is vegan that I've grated up. And then we're just going to serve it with a couple pieces of toasted French bread.